Right now, I am holding one of the most underrated healing herbs in the world. The name of it is called bay leaf. Stay with me to the end and I will show you how this common kitchen ingredient can transform your health. But before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button if you want more natural ways to look and feel better. People, our grandparents never just used bay leaves in soups for flavor, but they knew the benefits, so they used it for their own health transformation. In many cultures then and even now, there are persons that have used bay leaves for nerves related problems, to help to calm the nerves, to help ease tension and even pains like headaches and migraine. Alright, so let's break down the powerful health benefits of bay leaves. Number one, it supports digestion. These leaves helps with indigestion, bloating and excessive gas. Number two, it's a natural anti-inflammatory herb. There are anti-inflammatory properties found in bay leaves that can give you a relief from joint pains like arthritis, muscle pain and other tension pain. Number three, it helps with diabetes naturally. It helps to lower high blood sugar and high glucose level in the blood. Number four, these leaves, they contain antibacterial and antifungal properties. They help to boost the immune system. And number five, when it comes down to respiratory health, this herb, bay leaf, it helps to relieve and reduce congestion. Now, let me show you exactly where this powerful herb comes from. This powerful herb, it comes from this tree right here. It is called the bay leaf tree. In many backyards and hillsides, you'll find this beautiful tree standing tall. And here is what. This isn't just a seasoning tree. This is literally medicine given to us by Yahweh growing above us. Right now, as you can see, the tree is being climbed and fresh bay leaves are being picked to be used as our elders used them before. And here is a hidden secret about the bay leaves. The ones that are most potent are the ones that look younger but mature. These leaves are stronger, full of aroma, and full of life. After picking them like this, I either dry them for tea or use them straight in the pot for cooking and healing. People, these are the leaves that are used to make the popular Jamaican bay rum.
This is bay leaf.
Now, let me show you exactly how to make a powerful healing tea using 4 freshly picked bay leaves. First, make sure your bay leaves are properly clean. Rinse them under running water to remove any dust or bugs from the leaves. For all the persons that have stuck around this far, please remember to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this one. And for all the people them that keep having tension headaches, sinusitis, arthritis, inflammation and nervousness, stick around to the end to learn how to make this powerful tea for healing. And remember people, if you know anyone around you that is suffering from any one of the above listed, please share this video with him or her that they too may benefit. So after bringing 2 to 4 cups of water to a boil, the next step is to add your 4 fresh bay leaves to the pot. After doing this, turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. This will allow the medicinal oils and benefits to fully infuse into the water. This tea, though simple, has so many health benefits that are very, very important to our transformation. And one of the things that we should always remember is that you don't need fancy herbs to heal. Healing begins as simple as this. And this is one of the reasons why our forefathers lived so long, because their medicine was in what they eat and drink. After simmering, turn off the heat and let the tea rest for 3 to 5 minutes, then strain and drink. Drink 1 to 2 cups of bay leaf tea a day. This will help you. Remember to subscribe.